Hello folks, Jason Clankenbeard here with Rivers West Auction time. Today we've got a John Deere, a 1959 John Deere 730 diesel power, electric start, 2-cylinder, Pop and Johnny I guess here. It's a power steering unit. I'm just going to kind of walk around and show you. This one's got the wide front end. We do have the narrow front end that will sell the same day as this sells. If you're having troubles finding it, give me a call and I'll walk you into where it's at, because it may be on a different platform rather than auction time. In the meantime, yeah, let's take a look. This is I'll say an earlier restoration. I'm not sure how early. He's been using it. It shows 6,500 hours and change. He's been using it to farm along with that 3020 that's selling. Beautiful tractor. You know, you can see there's a little bit of a I don't know if just like the bolts too tight there, kind of a ripple, but I mean, all in all, it's just a good clean 730 that's totally functional. Got the pulley wheel here. Again, it's been converted to electric start, no pony motor or anything like that. Back tires are the same as new. I put them down at 95%, and I would say that is absolutely accurate. You know, you can just see they're basically new. It's got the 3-point plus a quick hitch, which is kind of nice. Got an umbrella with it that's been stored inside. 540 PTO, drawbar, one set of remotes, and yeah, it's just again, new tires on the rear. The front tires are in great shape too. This one's got a little nick right here, but I'd put them at 60+%. Again, here you can kind of see a little bit of oil leak here and there. He's been running it. He moved out of the country and asked me to get them sold for him, these tractors. So there you go. Right here in Arley, Montana is where this tractor's at here at the auction barn.